Hello children, welcome you in the bio class. Children, in this class I am going to teach you Blackman's principle of limiting factor. So children, you will study about Blackman's principle of limiting factor. The process of photosynthesis is affected by a number of factors. Justus Liebig suggested that rate of physiological process depends upon many factors, but the rate of process depends on the factor which present in minimum quantity. Sayers suggests three cardinal point theory. According to this theory, there is a minimum, optimum, and maximum for each factor concerned with photosynthesis. Minimum means below which no photosynthesis, and optimum means at which rate of photosynthesis is maximum, and maximum means below which photosynthesis stops. So to represent the concept of three cardinal points, I take graph. On the x-axis has taken limiting factor, and on the y-axis is the rate of photosynthesis. On the x-axis is the limiting factor. So in this limiting factor, each factor has three cardinal point. One is minimum, second is optimum, and third is maximum. Minimum means below which no photosynthesis. Optimum means at which rate of photosynthesis is highest, and maximum means beyond which photosynthesis stops. Children, F. Blackman proposed the principle of limiting factor. According to this principle of limiting factor, the rate of a process is controlled by several factors. The rate of a process controlled by several factors is only as rapid as the slowest factor permits. It means the slowest factor, when increased, will greatly increase the rate of photosynthesis. When other factors increased, will have little effect on the rate of photosynthesis. Children, Blackman studied the effect of carbon dioxide concentration, light intensity, and temperature on the rate of photosynthesis. So, for the representation of Blackman's law of limiting factor, we are taking a graph. On the x-axis has taken, this is the light intensity. On the y-axis has taken rate of photosynthesis, and here graph has shown for the rate of photosynthesis with light intensity, with temperature and carbon dioxide concentration. So Blackman studied the effect of carbon dioxide concentration, light intensity and temperature on the rate of photosynthesis. All other factors were maintained in optimum concentration. Initially, photosynthetic material was kept at 20 degree centigrade temperature and 0.01% carbon dioxide concentration. When light of low intensity was provided, photosynthesis was found to occur. With gradual increase in light intensity, the rate of photosynthesis increased. So here, on increasing the light intensity, the rate of photosynthesis increased. But soon it became constant. So this is the constant. The rate of photosynthesis could be increased only on increasing the concentration of carbon dioxide. So on the same temperature, on the same intensity of light, when concentration of carbon dioxide increased, the rate of photosynthesis has increased. So this indicates that initially the light intensity was limiting factor, limiting the rate of photosynthesis. When light was available in sufficient, carbon dioxide became the limiting factor. So because rate of photosynthesis increase here on increasing the carbon dioxide concentration, therefore carbon dioxide has become the limiting factor. When sufficient quantity of both was provided, the rate of photosynthesis increased. But again it reached a peak. It could not be increased further. So see, light intensity increased and carbon dioxide concentration also, but it was found that after reaching to a peak point, now the rate of photosynthesis is not going to increase. At this stage, increase in temperature, here temperature was 20 degrees centigrade, this temperature was also 20 degrees centigrade, but here temperature increased. So on increasing the temperature, the rate of photosynthesis increased. So here temperature, due to temperature rate of photosynthesis increase, then temperature become the limiting factor. So temperature, carbon dioxide concentration and light intensity, these three factors were studied by Blackman, and Blackman concluded from his experiments, and he told if light intensity and temperature are at maximum, then concentration of carbon dioxide limiting factor. If concentration of carbon dioxide and light intensity are optimum, then temperature is the limiting factor.